Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna introduce you to a new beauty brand which is actually a brand that most of you all know about and which is very popular too. Now you will say when I am saying it's a new brand but it's already there and everybody knows about it. Well, it's Clovia. So yes, now you can imagine it's already so much popular amongst each one of us. In fact, Clovia is a brand something which I have been using for years now. I love their quality of stuff. Their style is so good. In fact, I own some of their nightwears which are so good, and I'm super impressed with the quality. So I whenever I have to buy any such stuff, I just head over to Clovia. So here Clovia has decided and it has launched its new products, that is skincare based products, with the name Clovia Botanica. So yes, as the name suggests, it's made out of natural ingredients and in fact with the goodness of Ayurveda. So you can imagine how good this must be for our skin. Well, I am actually personally a promoter and a supporter of natural skincare, and I always prefer skincare products that are naturally made and are made with the ingredients that are natural and free from lot of chemicals. So I was super excited when I heard about this. So I thought that I have to review this brand. So recently I purchased their face wash, which is anti-acne face wash. So I decided for an anti-acne face wash. That's because my skin type is oily, and oily skin people will relate that we are always, we have that danger of, of acne or blemish and things like that which are associated with oily skin. And also summers are here, so we have to pull up our socks, the oily skin people, and we have to take extra care of our skin. In fact. So I went to their website, and it is so easy to choose your type of product because there are various categories and you can just easily select out of those categories which product actually will suit to your skin type and your concern.
So here is this lovely pink color box in which the product is packed, and here you can see it's such a nice packaging that they have given. The color looks so good and gives out all those natural vibes. And yes, it's filled with the goodness of Ayurveda, and also it's free from parabens.
Let me just show you what product I got. Firstly, this bottle is so good, and this this cap is so good and non-drippy as well. So it is very travel friendly, of course, and also it is super easy to just take out the product from this pump and apply on your face. And it is also it just checks that the product doesn't get wasted, and it's very easy to lock in just like this. So I love the entire packaging. It's very pretty and lovely, I must say. So let me take you through the demonstration part of this anti-acne face wash.
So this face wash has got a nice gel-like consistency which is super easy to apply. And the best part about Clovia Botanica product is that it's vegan product, and it's rich with Ayurveda goodness and also enriched with 100% essential oils. And also it's free from sulfates, parabens and chemicals. And you can see how my skin looks after washing my face with this face wash.
So you have seen how good my skin was looking after washing my face with that lovely face wash from Clovia. So alright, I have already used this face wash 2-3 times, and I can actually see the difference in my skin, and I can actually feel that it actually works. And in fact, I will recommend this to the people who are prone to acne or who have oily skin type like me. And I think it's gonna work brilliant for you guys. And also like I always say, always do a patch test before trying any of the new skincare product. That will ensure if it's suiting you or not. So yes, if you too want to try this product or any of the product from Clovia Botanica, then you can visit their website, their official website, www.clovia.com, and from there you can purchase this product. And you can also use my code. That's gonna give you 10% additional off on your purchase, and I will be adding that code here in the description. Clovia's products are also available on these websites, but my code is going to work on Clovia's official website. Alright, so this brings us to the end of this video. I will be back super soon, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. That's going to notify you whenever I will be posting a new video. And also, please guys, let's just engage on Instagram. I post a lot of skincare related and fashion related stuff there as well. So let's just get connected over there and stay happy, stay healthy like I always say. Bye bye.